Amidst the rising COVID cases in Delhi, Kejriwal government has once again sounded off an alarm. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has raked up oxygen shortage in the national capital. In a tweet put out, he has urged the centre to immediately provide more oxygen cylinders as hospitals are reeling under pressure due to oxygen shortage. The Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, further added that many hospitals are left with only few hours of oxygen supplies in Delhi. Delhi is not the only city that has sounded off an alarm. You've got Maharashtra, Rajasthan government that has asked the centre to provide oxygen supply to the state. Meanwhile, responding to state government's repetitive demand for scaling up oxygen supplies, Prime Minister Modi, while addressing the nation yesterday, said that the centre is working to increase the production and the distribution of oxygen across the state.
पिछले एक हफ्ते से बार-बार सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि दिल्ली का कोटा बढ़ा दीजिए, मरीज बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ रहे हैं। उस पर अभी कोई ठोस कदम नहीं उठाया गया और आज हमारे साथ स्थिति है कि दिल्ली के बड़े-बड़े अस्पतालों में 8 से 10 घंटे की 12 घंटे की ऑक्सीजन बची है और अगर अगले 10 घंटे में 12 घंटे में या 8 घंटे में उन अस्पतालों को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिली तो वो हॉस्पिटल्स मरीजों का इलाज कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि कोरोना में ऑक्सीजन लगाना सबसे बड़ा ट्रीटमेंट साबित हुआ है।
Is reporting from Delhi, bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest. Anisha, the Chief Minister's time and again requested the centre to increase the oxygen supply. Question is, where is the oxygen? Even yesterday, the Kejriwal had put out a tweet saying there's just a few hours of oxygen left. And here we're talking about the national capital that is completely run out of oxygen now this morning.
Well, Shruti, yesterday the alarm bells sounded by the administration and by the court. Now, what is important is that last night, some supply of oxygen had come in. GTB Hospital, Gangaram Hospital, both of which had reported that they only had enough oxygen to last till about midnight or 1 a.m. Got some supply, enough to tide them over till afternoon today. But most hospitals in the city are still waiting for that oxygen supply. The centre has said that they are working on it. Inox, the oxygen company, the oxygen manufacturer that has a plant in Uttar Pradesh, had also raised some concerns regarding transport of oxygen. So we are still in the middle of this crisis, and this afternoon is going to be the crisis point. Whether or not Delhi's hospitals will get oxygen will determine how many people are able to be treated today. Back to you.
That's right. Anisha, thanks for joining us with those details right there. Anisha Mathur reporting from Delhi, getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest as far as the Delhi oxygen crisis is concerned.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.